A malfunctioning garage door motor can turn your daily routine into an overwhelming headache, leaving you stranded. In Flower Mound, Texas, automated garage doors are vital for security and accessibility, making issues particularly inconvenient. Watch for critical signs that your garage door motor may be on the brink of failure and needs attention. If your garage door won't budge despite working controls, the motor is likely the culprit, demanding your immediate focus. Listen for unusual sounds like grinding or humming, signaling that internal components may be struggling and failing. A slow-moving garage door isn't just a nuisance. It could indicate worn gears in the motor desperate for replacement. Noticing a burning smell or seeing smoke, these serious signals show your motor may be overheating and unsafe to use. Before you assume the motor is fried, check power supplies, circuit breakers, and remote batteries to rule out other issues. Ultimately, consider professional repair. DIY fixes on these complex systems can lead to dangerous mishaps or costly errors. When it's time for a new motor, remember, consulting professionals ensures safer installation and enhances your garage door's performance.